Yes, it's possible to make $30,000 a month using ChatGPT in 2025. You can leverage it for content creation and automate your business. Proven strategies include freelance content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, chatbots, and consulting. Reaching $30,000 depends on your niche and effort. It may take several months up to a year based on your experience. Useful skills include marketing, copywriting, business management, and automation. ChatGPT aids by creating content, optimizing for SEO, managing ad campaigns, and automating email marketing. Yes, ChatGPT can generate passive income through affiliate marketing, digital products, and automated services. Attract clients via freelance platforms, social media, networking, and referrals. Avoid underpricing services, neglecting quality, and being inconsistent in your work. ChatGPT can automate customer service, providing support 24/7 without additional costs to help scale your business. To scale beyond $30,000, expand your offerings, increase rates, outsource tasks, and automate. Making $30,000 a month with ChatGPT in 2025 is achievable with effective strategies and consistency.